Hey data wizards, BI enthusiasts, and our analysts. Welcome back to the Analyst Lens, where we sharpen your data wrangling skills. Today, we are in the data visualization arena, facing off two titans, Power BI and Tableau. We will be throwing down on 6 key battlegrounds: focus, ease of use, data integration, advanced features, data modeling, and collaboration. So, buckle up, it's gonna be a data driven showdown. So, we all know that Power BI and Tableau differ primarily in their user interface and ease of use, data handling capabilities, and integration with other tools and platforms. Power BI and Tableau are both powerful business intelligence tools that enable data visualization and analysis. Our first basis of discussion is focus. The Power BI integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem, making it ideal for Office 365 users, whereas Tableau focuses on pure data visualization, offering a wide range of chart types and stunning visual effects. So, precisely, we can say that Power BI focuses on interactive dashboards and shared reports, whereas Tableau focuses on data exploration and visualization. So, our next basis of comparison is ease of use. Power BI uses drag and drop interface, makes it easier for beginners to get started. Built-in wizards and templates guide you through data exploration and report creation. Whereas Tableau have a steeper learning curve, but rewards with great customization and flexibility. It requires some coding knowledge for advanced features. To conclude, we can say that Power BI is easier to learn for beginners, especially who are familiar with the Microsoft products or the ecosystem, whereas Tableau is steeper learning curve but more intuitive drag and drop interface. Next, we have data integration. Power BI connects seamlessly to Microsoft data sources like Excel and Dynamics 365. Third-party connectors extend its reach, but can be complex to configure. Whereas Tableau has wider range of native connectors to various databases and cloud platforms. It offers more flexibility in data blending and transformation. So, we can say that Power BI integrates seamlessly with Microsoft services and Excel, whereas Tableau works with a wider range of data source handlings and large datasets better. Talking about the advanced features, Power BI offers AI-powered insights and machine learning capabilities, strong in geographic visualizations and custom visuals. Tableau is mature in advanced analytics with powerful statistical functions and forecasting tools, offers a custom scripting and extensions for deeper customization. So, in Power BI, there are DAX for calculations and Power Pivots for modeling, whereas in Tableau we have LOD calculations, custom extension, and spatial analysis. Moving on to data modeling, Power BI deals with intuitive data modeling interface with built-in relationships and calculations, offers DAX for advanced calculations but can be complex for beginners. Tableau deals with more powerful data modeling engine with calculated fields and sets. So we can say that Power BI provides more robust data modeling and extracting, transforming, loading capabilities, whereas Tableau provides better choice for data manipulation and analysis. So here comes another comparison which is based on collaboration. Power BI integrates with Microsoft Teams for real-time collaborating and data sharing. It offers cloud-based Power BI services for easy access and sharing, whereas Tableau offers Tableau Server for centralized data governance and collaboration. It integrates with various platforms like Slack and Google Drive. So, we can say that Power BI has more collaboration features built in, such as co-authoring and commenting, whereas Tableau requires third-party tools to achieve similar functionalities.